Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add the 50 EMA in Exness chart. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your Exness chart, then go to indicators. This one, click on it and type here moving average and choose this one, moving average exponential. Okay, now click on it and this one is our EMA. Now we have to make it a 50 EMA. So click on it and click on these three dots, click on settings, go to input, and here on length type 50. Now we have here style, you can change the color if you want, for example this one, and we have the thickness here, you can change one of these if you want. After you finish, just click on OK. And as you can see here, this is our 50 EMA. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.